Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can find your bank account number on the Capital One app. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course log into your account, enter your username, your password and proceed to signing in. And after that, what you will have to do is you will tap accounts from the bottom menu, but it really depends on the layout of your Capital One. So after that, what you will have to do is you will click on the account that you would need the routing and account number for, and then you will click on the view details link to the left of your balance. And how you can find your account number on the mobile app is of course after signing in you will select the account that you need the routing and account number for, and then you will scroll down to the account details section, and then you will view all to locate your account number and routing number. So that's just as simple as it is, and I really hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.